Hey guys, welcome back. And if you are new here, I am Rizza and this is your channel for a productive and sustainable lifestyle. So if you are into productivity, sustainability, and skincare, I upload videos every week. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you'll know when a new video is up. When I started transitioning into a minimalist and low-waste lifestyle, I actually found myself not buying that much stuff anymore just because it's sale or just because I found a red tag somewhere in the mall or sa website na lagi kong chine-check out. I made sure that I'm mindful of the things I'm welcoming into my life because eventually, I know na ide-declutter ko din siya. Hindi naman sa dine-deprive ko yung sarili kong bumili ng kahit anong gusto ko. Actually, sa ngayon, I still love buying food. I still love buying camera stuff. I still love buying skincare. But then again, I make sure I ask myself, kung kailangan ko ba talaga nito? Or can I use it every single time? Or does it have the right quality para magamit ko siya ng matagalan? Well, anyway, enough of the intro. So let me just show you 10 things I don't buy anymore. First is instant coffee. Aside from it tastes better because I do it myself, you can also support local farmers because I use local beans that I save so much money. Next is fast fashion. I broke up with fast fashion a couple of years now. Aside from loving ukay so much, I just know that first I have to support our local industry and designers. Next is I have to invest with clothes that has more quality than quantity. Next is water bottles. Aside from I save so much money, of course, wala ring plastic bottles sa ocean. Win-win. Next naman na hindi ko na binibili is a sanitary napkin. I know you already know this, that I already switched to a menstrual cup when I started transitioning into a zero-waste lifestyle. Aside from mas tipid, mare-reuse mo pa siya, and wala ka pang kalat. Next naman is brand new electronics. This is the beauty of secondhand. Sobrang mas mura mo siya mabibili. You also help the person selling kasi madalas ng RTS nila ay kailangan nila ng pera. Next is you help keep out e-waste from landfill. Next naman is a hairdryer. Napanood nyo na siguro to dun sa last video ko na ni-release about how I maintain my pixie undercut. So I have an easy to maintain hair. Hindi ko na kailangan ng hairdryer pa. Next naman is shoes and bags. I know. Yes, I heard you. Dati sobrang addict kong bumili ng shoes and bags. I just use it to reward myself just because I did a great job or I finished a new book or I launched a new business. But ewan ko ngayon, wala, hindi na talaga. I only buy when my current is sira or sobrang luma na or kinagat ni bagnet. But right now, I only have one pair of sandals, which I just bought from Renegade Folk. I just buy once a year. I also have one pair of slippers. I have 3 pairs of rubber shoes kasi yung isa bigay sa akin, yung dalawa binili ko. I only have one gym bag, one constant backpack, and isang maleta. Yun lang. It just takes away the decision fatigue every single day. And sa dami ng ginagawa kong decision every single day, I don't wanna decide on what shoes I should wear or bag I should wear. So, next naman is cable TV. I don't even remember when we last used our TV. Kasi madalas nasa monitor lang kami ni Josh when we take our lunch. We just do a little Netflix and then that's it. We don't have a cable TV anymore. It's just Netflix and downloading movies. Next naman is watches. I also had a watch face na ang dami kong watches before. Pero ngayon kasi I don't use a watch anymore. I just use my phone. And nagtatampo actually si Josh na hindi ko na ginagamit yung mga watch na bigay niya. But I just don't need it anymore. But I still keep it because it's from Josh. Dito siya. Nag-react. But yeah, I just use my phone instead. And again, it's decision fatigue. Kapag hindi mo alam kung anong watch yung gagamitin mo. So, wag na lang. And the last item I don't buy anymore is more makeup. Redundant makeup, I must say. Kasi I only put on makeup kapag may occasion or kapag nag-shoot. So, as you can see, meron akong eyeliner ngayon. Nag-effort ako sa makeup. So yun, I don't need that much makeup anymore. So one of each kind lang yung meron ako ngayon. So there you go. Those are the 10 things I don't buy anymore. Let me know in the comments down below kung meron din ba kayong mga ganon. When you started transitioning into a minimalist and low-waste lifestyle, let me know in the comments. Thanks again so much, guys, for being with me today. And I appreciate you so much. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!